Hi, Dr Ginni Mansberg here. Bowel cancer is Australia's second deadliest cancer, but if detected early, it's treatable in up to 90% of cases. The National Bowel Cancer Screening Program sends free bowel cancer screening test kits to eligible Australians aged 50 to 74. The test will be posted to you around the time you turn 50 and then every 2 years after you complete the kit. Bowel cancer can develop without any symptoms. That's why it's so important to screen every 2 years. Unfortunately, only 44% of people aged 50 to 74 complete this test. The reason you're sent a test kit is because the risk of developing bowel cancer increases with age. It may seem a little confronting, but when you open the envelope, you'll see the test really is simple, discreet, and easy to complete. It's free to send back in the prepaid envelope, so please, when your kit arrives in the mail, place it somewhere to remind yourself and make a promise to do this test. It might just save your life.